Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to use GPG tools for Mac OS X. So I'm first going to go to the gpgtools.org website, and I'm going to go to download the GPG suite. Okay. Okay, great. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder right here. Okay. And here's my GPG suite. I'm going to double click on the DMG disk image file. It's going to verify itself. Okay, great. So then I'm going to double click on install. Okay. And then continue install. Now you want to have a password on your Mac, obviously. I don't, just because I'm a guest on this machine. Otherwise I'd have a secure password for the OS. So anything that would be installed, I'd have to enter my secure password in to install. So just a note about that. Okay, great. So the installer was successful, and then it opened GPG, as you saw. And now it's wanting me to make a new keychain. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel that. Maybe that won't happen for you. Um, so you would just go new, and then that window would come up. So I'm just going to make something up. Okay, and then this is going to be your passphrase. So this is going to be something you're going to want to be very secure. So it would be something, make a secure password, and then it'd be very good to save it in LastPass as well. And just so you have it there. Okay, so I'm just going to make a password. Okay, about 9 characters. Okay, and I'm going to generate the key. The name must be at least 5 characters long. Okay. Okay, so I entered a simple one, but you want a more robust. So then you can type while it's doing this. We need to generate a lot of random bytes. It's a good idea to perform some other actions. Type on the keyboard in an application, move the mice, utilize the disks during prime generation. This gives a random. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so great. So now I have my secure and public key here. So this is going to be my PGP key. So another person's PGP key would be just, it would just have the public, like this one, the team.gbg tools. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to encrypt a file and then how to decrypt the file. Okay, and also we'll just go into importing first. So when you get someone else's key, you'll have a their name, usually .asc or whatever they send to you as an attachment, but the file extension generally is .asc. So then you just select import, and so you download that from your email. Maybe it'd be in downloads or whatever. You go to import, and then you find that file, and then just double click it or select it and select open, and then that will import the key into your keyring. Okay, so how to encrypt a file. Okay, let me just close this for simplicity, and Safari, there we go. So you don't actually need this keychain open, and this is your GPG keychain as well down there. So I'm going to have this little JPEG called orange. It's a little picture of oranges. I'm going to, but you'd have a Word document or another document you need secured, to email secured. You right click on it, you go down to services, and you go down to encrypt file. Okay, and then it's going to ask you who do you want it to encrypt it to. Okay, so I want to encrypt it to myself so I can maybe open it later. And then you have a whole list of other people's keys here. I just have GPG Tools team right now, so I'm going to use that just for this example. So to whoever you're sending it to, select those people. Okay, probably not select all, but in this case that was all of them. Okay, and then click OK and encrypt the file. So you'll see the files right here, orange.jpeg.gpg. So now this file is secure, and it's almost impossible for anyone to. Someone can intercept the file via email. Email is very insecure generally, and if anyone intercepts the emails, they can just take the documents very easily. So if you GPG them or PGP them, they become almost impossible to decrypt. The person would need your your secure key and your password. Okay, so it's very difficult for them to. So it makes it very secure, in other words. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's just get rid of this JPEG, the orange. Say someone emails me, they encrypt this file to me, they GPG it on their own computer, and then they email it to me or they Skype it to me, and then I want to unencrypt it to work with it. So I would right click on this file, go to services, and go to decrypt file. Okay, and then it's going to ask me for my GPG passphrase, which when I set up the key that I have. So I'm just going to enter my passphrase, press OK, and then it will decrypt the file in the same folder that you originally opened the file in, or you placed the file rather. So here it is. Okay, and here's my orange.jpg. So very nice. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.